Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add two viewports in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to go here, and when you see this plus, just drag left, and now you have a new viewport. But maybe you want to see this viewport at the bottom here, maybe. So actually, let's delete this viewport. If you want to remove this viewport, where you go here and you see this plus, just drag left, and now you see this arrow. That's it. But if you want to have a viewport at the bottom for some reason, what you have to do is to see this dot and then this cross, and then just drag it. Now you should see another viewport here, a 3D viewport. And from here you can also change, if you click on here, you can change it from 3D viewport to image editor, or depends on what you want. And it's very helpful. So don't forget, yeah, if you can also add another one here. If you can pull up, you can add as many as you want. And you can also add another one if you grab it and drag it on the left side. Now that's what I like about Blender. You can customize the way you want, and it's very useful for productivity. Now if you want to delete all of them and you don't want to do it manually, like this, that'll take a lot. Just go to file and go to new and general. Like that's only if you have if you don't have anything important to save. All right. If you want to remove the timeline, you can also drag down. Okay, grab and drag down. So I hope this short tutorial saved you time and helped you. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please leave it in the comment section, your suggestion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.